Okay, rice cake machine SYP9502. 9502 Titanium Coated Moulds and switch box opposition CE from Netherlands. Very nice. Good. Nice.
금방 나오는데 되게 오고
Okay, temperature 260 and speed 27, thickness 60 and depth of core is 3.27 as a first setting. So just open here. Alright, it's a standard cylinder. Below is a pressure support valve to make the tip stable pressure. And 3 solenoid valve to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the cylinder movement. Filter motor and pump. Oil tank here is the fan. Fan is on all the time and the machine works. Pressure, of course. About 150, the black color number. After that, we'll check the pressure. And the pressure gauge, you have better close it to use longer. White rice and brown rice mix. And feeding plate here. The proxy sensor red light is on when the feeding plate comes back pretty fully. Go forward and turn off. Come back. Turn on again, otherwise you cannot go to the next step. 2 springs that bring back the feeding plate. And drive motor and gear head, the feeding plate forward. This is the oil valve, oil control valve, and check valve. Leaf valve is related with the pressure control. Inserts related to the wrench. Clockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. Okay, and control box here, it's an inverter, 60 Hz, SSR to keep the temperature stable, and breaker and contactor, and relays on PCB. PCB is the main board, the brain of this machine, and oil tanker, idle oil 20 liters inside. Very nice. Good. 마무리.